kids, today I'm going to be drawing Mr. Wolf from The Bad Guys. Let's get started. Okay, first let's start with the eyes. One here and one here. But the second one is still close but a bit below it. Okay, next, draw a black dot in the middle of both of them. And for the eyebrows, they're angling in different directions, like this. Now, let's do the nose. The nose starts from the left eye and moves to the middle, and then you do this, curving back up, then connect it. I'm just going to make it a bit longer. Now let's color that in. Next, let's draw the mouth. His mouth starts from about where his eye is and goes about to where the eye kind of starts, the other eye. Next, let's draw his teeth. So for his teeth, it's basically just triangles like this. And then, now let's draw the ears. The ear starts from here, like that. Well, actually, that's a bit wrong, so I'll erase that. Next, so you start, this is the ear here, and then the ear goes down here. For the other one, it's a bit slanted out to the side. Okay, then this is the hair. Draw the hair like just lines. Same with here. Now you do the other hair on the other side. It's the same but pointing in a different direction. Now we're going to draw his suit. So you start from his mouth and you go to the end of his other mouth and just draw a curved line. Now we're going to draw his tie. First, draw a curved line from about here. Make sure it touches the top and then goes down to here. Now for the tie, it's just like any normal tie. And it goes down. But it sort of stops around here. Okay. That's where his hands are going to be, that's why I stopped it. And this is his body, it goes down here. And up to the top of here. Okay, now I'm going to draw his hands. So it goes out to the side, comes in, and then when it gets to about here, it slips through. And you draw the line up and drawing it here again. And this is all going to be black, so you can just leave it blank. Then you're going to erase the tie here and draw his hand. His hand is basically just curved lines like that, and that will make a good hand. And for the other side, it's the same, but pointing in the opposite direction. And then his sleeve goes out here and connecting to here. Okay, now from the top, you go in. You can just leave that blank as well. Now, if you imagine a line from here, you can sort of see it going here and this one here, and then you bring it together, the line, simply like that. Next, you color the rest of the tie in and do the bottom of the tie, which is just an upside down triangle. Now, you start from about where this is, but a bit to the side, and the same on the other side. and these are his legs. They angle in a bit. There's a line from the middle of the tie going here. And then these are his feet. So basically, just it's a curved line like that, and another curved line like that. And then that. And then for his tail, it's just a lot of curved lines, making a tail. It's sort of spiky, like that. Okay, now let's color it in. Hope you enjoyed drawing Mr. Wolf from the Bad Guys with me. See you next time.
Hi kids, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe or email us with any comments or requests.